It's Chase here with Nitrous Express, and today we're taking a look at the wet direct port nitrous plate system for the 5.0 Ford engines. The Nitrous Express direct port nitrous plates are designed to fit the factory 2018 and up 5.0 intake manifold or the Boss intake manifold. The 2018 and up manifolds are a direct bolt-on replacement for any of your modern 5.0 Coyote engines and provide cheap and easy horsepower. These plates will work on any 5.0, but if you have the 2011 through 2014 intake, you will need to take off the excess plastic in the center of the manifold to get the plates to fit. The 2015 through 2017 intake will not work due to the design of the O-ring, and the 2018 and up requires absolutely no modification. The direct port plates offer a huge benefit compared to a single nozzle or plate system by giving you the best distribution possible by feeding a perfect amount of nitrous and fuel into each cylinder. The plate systems are designed to tap into your factory fuel system, and for extreme race applications, you have the option to add a safe tank filled with high-octane race fuel, which will allow you to run more timing and not stress the factory fuel system. The plate bolts under the intake manifold, making installation quick and simple. The plates come in at just under 5/8 thick, so there's no need to run an aftermarket hood. This system includes a auto-learn TPS switch, which allows the nitrous to only activate at a wide open throttle. It also comes with a direct plug-in fuel line adapter to simplify installation and no need to cut your factory fuel lines. The billet aluminum and carbon fiber Lightning series solenoids. It also comes with the nitrous bottle with the new billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. Stainless braided O2 line, stainless bottle brackets, master arming switch, relay and relay harness, all necessary hardware to complete the installation. It also includes jetting for 100, 150, 200, 250, and 300 horsepower. Features of the plate. It's made right here in the USA. It's made entirely out of billet aluminum. It's anodized in black. There's a left and right for a super clean installation, and it is O-ring sealed. For more information on the wet direct port nitrous plate system for the Ford 5.0 engines, part number 20956, please visit nitrousexpress.com or call 1-888-GO-FAST-1. And as always, thank you for choosing Nitrous Express, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly videos.